Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever Eyescream Beauty subscription box unboxing. It is always so exciting to me to get a new subscription box, and I had been recommended this box for a long time. It's a makeup subscription that guarantees a palette in every box, and oftentimes the palette is my favorite part of a beauty subscription, so that had me very intrigued. And I signed up for this on my own. It's not PR or anything like that. I think it cost me $25 for one box, and it's a monthly subscription. I'm still not too familiar with how this works, but I think there are ways to customize each box to your preferences. But I mean, the packaging on this is adorable. It's like marble on the back, then like the sprinkles. I'm so excited to get into this. And so if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I unbox a bunch of different beauty subscriptions here on my channel, and I also do makeup reviews. So I'm planning to do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get in this box, and if I like it, I'll probably continue to unbox this here on my channel. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe. But okay, now let's finally see what I got in my first ever Eyescream Beauty subscription box. So we've got some packing peanuts on top here. And so then I did get this little card. Ooh, and it has product information on it. Okay, first I'm gonna pull out this here because I was like, did I get two of the same product? But no, different colors. This is Duochrome Liquid Eyeshadow from the brand Eyescream Beauty. And I am not familiar with this brand, so I think it's pretty exciting that I'm already getting to learn about new brands through this box. I got this, oh, it doesn't even say a color, it's just like a number. So not very descriptive of what the colors are, but let's see. Ooh, very pretty. Yeah, it's actually kind of hard to describe this color because it is a duochrome, a lot of different colors going on here, but it looks kind of like a goldeny purple shade. Very pretty. I love duochrome makeup and liquid eyeshadows, so these are going to be really fun to try out. The other shade looks very similar, maybe a little bit more pink than the other one was, maybe a little bit more purple, but I really like the look of both of these. And so let's see what my product information says. Liquid Duochrome Eyeshadows by Eyescream Beauty, $38 retail. All right, next, from the brand Queen, this is Ice Cream Highlighter. Oh, how perfect for Eyescream Beauty. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty highlight shade, like a champagne highlight stick. Ooh, beautiful. I'm loving all of the sparkle and shine and glow that I've pulled out so far. I recognize this brand, like maybe I've tried out one product from Queen Studio. Queen with a V, by the way, like Queen. So the Ice Cream Highlighter by Queen Studio is an $18 retail value. So these have not been cheap products that I've been pulling out. All right, next, De Lancy, not a brand that I recognize. Multi-Chrome Eyeshadow Palette. Maybe there's a theme going on this month with like glow. I think the theme is Independent Queen, but I'm loving how much duochrome and shine I've been pulling out. So let's check out these shades. This is cruelty free. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this just looking at it makes my eyes happy. Wow, such beautiful fun colors. I can't wait to try this out. The 4-color multi-chrome palette by De Lancy is a $25 value. I am very impressed by the value and the brands that I'm pulling out so far. Feeling very excited about this box and very hopeful. Still 2 more products left in here. Oh, this is from Ofra. Long-lasting liquid lipstick. I love a liquid lipstick, and I love a long-lasting liquid lipstick even more. And Ofra is a brand I get a lot in beauty subscriptions. This is in the shade Hot Mess Mama. And it looks like a really pretty neutral shade that would go nicely with the rest of the products I've pulled out so far. The Hot Mess Mama Liquid Lipstick by Ofra Cosmetics is a $20 retail value. And then my product on the bottom here, I already pulled out an eyeshadow palette, but I think this is like the star palette of the box this month. Oh my gosh, and this is from another brand that I'm not familiar with. Wow, I'm still blown away that there are so many makeup brands out there that I am not familiar with when I've tried out so many products. But so this is the Ethereal 18 Color Shadows Palette from the brand Ocalon. Let's see what these shades look like. Oh, this is fun, and this is pretty. I love the multicolor in here and the texture. Oh my gosh. This is like literally like a jelly texture here with like metallic inside of it. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Whoa. It's like almost like an animal print look to it. I love the neutrals and the shimmers. There's still some good color in here. Wow, this is a palette that I'm so excited to have in my collection, so excited to play around with. And I'm excited to see what this brand is like, how the formulas are. Let's see, the retail value on the Ethereal palette by Ocalon Cosmetics is $19. That's not too pricey for a palette of this size. Okay, wow. I am very excited about my first ever Eyescream Beauty box. First of all, of course, that I pulled out all makeup products, and that's what I prefer to get. And it does seem like you could end up with makeup tools or skincare in this box, but more of a makeup lovers type of subscription, I would say. And let me add up my retail value and I'll do a quick recap because I think this was a great first box. So I got the Delancey Multichrome Eyeshadow Palette, the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, the 2 liquid eyeshadows from Chantico Beauty, the Queen Highlighter, and the Ocalon Ethereal Shadow Palette. And that brings me to a total retail value of $120, which, considering I spent $25 on this subscription, that is fantastic value. And I mean, I did get 4 eyeshadow products, but that's what I'm excited about. And that's something that I love to get in my beauty subscription. But I mean, if you're not into eye makeup or colors that are maybe out of your comfort zone or not very like casual everyday colors, then maybe this wouldn't be like the best subscription for you. But I think it's super fun and I'm excited that I finally signed up. It's one that I want to continue getting. But if you get Eyescream Beauty, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on your July box. If you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments as well your thoughts on these, any tips you have for when I go to use them. But I am definitely feeling happy with what I got right here. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video.